Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video I'm going to show you how to log into Dade School's Net Student Portal. Keep watching the video till the end, without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser on your device and in the search box type in Dade School's Net Student Portal and search. Tap on this search result out here and you'll be taken to the login page of the Dade School Student Portal. Start by entering your username in the first text field. Now move on to the next field and type in the password for your account if you want the system to remember your username so that you won't have to sign in again and again. Tap on this box that says remember username, but if you're using a public or shared device, make sure to uncheck this box, and after you have your credentials correct you can tap on the login button, but in case you've forgotten your username and password, you can tap on this link right here that says forgot username or password. If you don't have an account yet, tap on create an account right beside it. If you follow the instructions you'll be able to reset your forgotten username or your password, and once you have a password, enter your credentials in this pageant. Tap on the login button. After you tap on the login button you'll be logged into Dade School's Net Student Login Portal. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.